Welcome to the top picks. The best Maytag dryer is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern household, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your laundry routine, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dry, fresh, and ready to wear with efficiency and reliability that stands the test of time. We're diving deep into what makes a Maytag dryer a top contender for your home, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. TOMOON 4392067 Dryer Repair Maintenance Kit. Is your dryer making strange noises, not tumbling, or leaving marks on your clothes? This kit contains all the necessary parts to resolve common dryer issues and get it running smoothly again. This comprehensive kit includes 4 upgraded drum support rollers, a durable dryer drum belt, and an idler pulley. Everything you need for a complete dryer repair is right here. Designed for a perfect fit with many popular brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore dryers. If you're unsure about compatibility, our team is ready to assist you. Our rollers are crafted from high-elasticity polymer, ensuring they are sturdy, wear-resistant, and quiet. They provide excellent support and efficiency for your machine. The included dryer belt features an upgraded manufacturing process for superior elasticity and tensile strength. It's built to last longer and perform better. This kit directly replaces several part numbers, including WPW10314173, 661570V, and 279640. Ensure a seamless repair with these high-quality components. The dryer belt is 4 ribs and 3 grooves, measuring 93.12 inches long. Please double-check your dryer model to ensure this belt is the correct fit before ordering. What we like. If your dryer is making noise or not tumbling, this kit is for you. It includes upgraded rollers, a belt, and a pulley designed for longevity. Choose this if you're looking for a comprehensive solution to common dryer problems and want parts that last longer. What people say. The replacement rollers were not just a pipe but are equipped with actual bearings. The replacement kit was a perfect fit. Everything fit as it should on my model of Whirlpool dryer. My dryer runs great and sounds like a brand new machine. This kit had 4 of the wheels and the tensioner pulley wheel and a belt. This kit had the perfect replacement that included bearing in the middle of the pulley. The original belt was frayed and falling apart. The replacement belt was a perfect match replacement. The dryer is 13YO, so I just replaced all the rollers and the belt. After reassembly and testing, the dryer is whisper quiet again. Number 4. AMI Parts 279838 Dryer Heating Element. Introducing a durable, nickel-chromium alloy heating element designed to bring your dryer back to life. It ensures quick and even heating for optimal performance. This part is compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and Admiral dryer models. Check the description for a full list of compatible part numbers and models. The package includes the heating element, thermal fuse, high-limit thermostat, and jumper wires. Everything you need for a successful replacement is right here. Crafted with a spiral-tight design, it's longer than standard elements, reducing energy consumption and heating up faster. It's built for high anti-corrosion and durability. With its precise dimensions and included spade terminals, installation is straightforward. Restore your dryer's efficiency with this high-quality replacement part. This heating element replaces multiple part numbers, including 3398064 and W10724237. It meets OEM manufacturing requirements, offering a reliable solution for your dryer needs. What we like. If your dryer isn't heating properly, this heating element kit is the answer. It features a durable nickel-chromium alloy construction for quick and even heat distribution. Opt for this if you need a reliable replacement that ensures efficient drying performance. What people say. It was simple to install, only taking about 10 minutes from start to finish. Fix my dryer and it works great. Perfect for fixing my 20-plus-year-old dryer. It dries perfectly again. Number 3. AMI Parts 4392067 Dryer Repair Kit. Is your dryer making noise or not tumbling properly? This maintenance kit is the perfect solution to get it running smoothly again. This kit includes everything you need: drum roller wheels, a belt, and an idler pulley. It's designed as an ideal replacement for common dryer issues. You can easily solve many dryer problems with this kit. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and money on repairs. While not an OEM part, it meets original manufacturing standards for reliability and durability. It's compatible with most 27-inch dryer models from brands like Whirlpool and Kenmore. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer professional after-sales support and are committed to resolving any questions within 24 hours for a hassle-free experience. What we like. If your dryer is experiencing common issues like noise or improper tumbling, this maintenance kit is ideal. It provides the essential parts needed for repair and is designed for straightforward installation. Consider this if you want a cost-effective way to fix your dryer yourself. What people say. It came with all the essential parts, belt, rollers, pulley, and everything fit perfectly. The quality feels solid and comparable to the original manufacturer parts. Comprehensive set, pretty much all the mechanical parts you need to fix Maytag Dryer. Everything fits well. Rubber rollers are well made. This kit comes with all 4 rollers, a new wheel for the tensioner and a new belt. The dryer is running smooth and quiet now, and I didn't have to pay someone hundreds to do the same stuff I did, not $1,200 on a new dryer. Well worth the cost and effort. Number 2. AMI Parts 4392067 Dryer Repair Kit. Introducing the AMI Parts 4392067 Dryer Repair Kit, designed to bring your appliance back to life. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. This kit features essential components like drum support roller wheels, a durable drum belt, and a crucial idler pulley with bracket. It's a perfect all-in-one solution for common dryer issues. Is your dryer noisy, not tumbling, or leaving marks on clothes? This kit is designed to easily fix those problems. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and money on repairs. While not OEM, our parts meet strict OEM manufacturing standards. They are rigorously tested to ensure they perform as well as original equipment, providing reliable and long-lasting results. This maintenance kit is perfectly compatible with popular brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore Elite. Ensure your dryer runs smoothly again with these high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products with a professional after-sales service team. If you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help and will resolve your issue within 24 hours. What we like. If you're dealing with multiple dryer issues or want to ensure a thorough repair, this kit is a great choice. It includes not only the standard repair parts but also an upgraded idler pulley for enhanced performance. Select this if you're looking for a complete package to address various dryer malfunctions. What people say. Super easy to install, works with all different kinds of dryers, good quality parts, and look and function just like name brand ones. Very easy fix. This helped me help my parents avoid a service call which would have cost far more. Idler pulleys came with bearings installed, which is the upgraded part from the stock configuration. Number 1. TOMOON 4392067 Dryer Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to fix common dryer problems like excessive noise, failure to tumble, or not starting. It includes all the essential parts to get your appliance running smoothly again. Our kit features upgraded rollers made from a highly flexible and wear-resistant polymer for optimal support and efficiency. The enhanced belt is tougher and stronger, ensuring a longer lifespan compared to standard parts. Designed for a perfect fit with many Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore Elite dryer models, this kit is easy to install. With the right tools and safety precautions, you can quickly replace the worn-out parts yourself. This repair kit is compatible with numerous Maytag Bravos XL, Whirlpool Duet, and Kenmore Elite dryer models. Please check the product description for a full list of compatible part numbers and models. It directly replaces several part numbers, including WPW10314173, 279640, and 661570V. Please double-check your dryer's specific belt part number to ensure compatibility before ordering. TOMOON stands behind its products with a commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please feel free to contact us for assistance. What we like. If you want the latest and greatest for your dryer repair, this newest kit is for you. It boasts upgraded, highly flexible polymer rollers and a tougher, stronger belt for improved durability. Choose this if you're looking for enhanced performance and a long-lasting repair for a wide range of dryer models. What people say. So far, dryer is running great, with no squeaks. Quality of the parts looked good. It was a little cumbersome to take apart the dryer and put it back together, but replacing the parts was actually very easy. Took us less than 4 hours total, including moving it and the extra time to vacuum and clean the interior before putting it back together. Everything else was a perfect fit and match. All parts were compatible and the right size. The installation was a bit tricky because you have to disassemble the entire machine, but there are videos on YouTube to guide you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.